Manual SMT stencil cleaning, an alternative to an automated clean. In the first step, remove the coarse contaminants with a spatula. Spread the cleaning agent onto the stencil. It is important to use a stencil white material that does not leave any lint or other residues on the stencil. Use water and oil-free compressed air for drying. Manual stencil cleaning must be done carefully, as too much force can easily damage the stencil. Some advantages of manual stencil cleaning are that it is an alternative to an automated cleaning process. It has low acquisition costs. It is a simple and fast procedure. Some disadvantages are that it has no reproducible cleaning results, and it needs to be done carefully and with the appropriate white material. For further information, feel free to contact Zestron's India Application Technology team.